This video is if you have problems with your RV refrigerator, and it's a Norcold N611. Welcome to our line, the LarchLine. We are living in a camper trailer for 5 months, and unfortunately our refrigerator gave up on us. I had to do a tutorial because everything is not easy to understand, and we fixed the problem within few minutes. I'm gonna reset it myself. All I have to do is use an insulated wire. That's all I have, but it has to be like a pin type wire. You just have to plug it in the second from the top, right? It's not this one, it's this one. The pin goes there, and then the other side has to go on the back of the refrigerator. It's a green wire. If you can put it there, the other side, it's the green wire coming down. Touch one end to the green wire and the other one to the second to the left. Okay, this one, second to the left, not first, not third, the second, which is an empty one. Just push the needle in and let it sit for like 2-3 seconds, and you're gonna hear a click. If the refrigerator is in auto, then it's a click, but if it's in a gas, you're gonna hear like the gas starting. It's gonna click till the refrigerator starts. That's it. We had to reset ours like 3 times. The 4th time was the charm. Now it's working. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share, subscribe, and see us next time.